I'm excited to give you a look at our newest sales development program. Atlas Copco is a company with a rich history of innovation, but our greatest asset is truly our people.
The Atlas Copco I.M.P.A.C.T program was founded in order to give the next generation of leaders exposure to an industry-leading company. We're providing college graduates an opportunity to learn all about the products and the industry in order to become successful salespeople.
Atlas Copco invests in you both personally and professionally.
In the I.M.P.A.C.T program, we got a chance to work on the equipment and get our hands dirty.
This program prepares you with the best training for the widest range of jobs available to you.
In this program, you get exposed to tons of salespeople and the way they do their work, and you have a chance to incorporate that into how you do your work.
I made an impact.
I made an impact.
I'm going to make an impact.
I made an impact at Atlas Copco, and Atlas Copco made an impact on me.